Hello and welcome back to my channel. My name's Katie. I hope you're doing well. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, then welcome back. Today's video is going to be my Glossy box. My Glossy box video. But before we start, my makeup today is brought to you by the I Heart Makeup Chocolate Rose Gold collection and the Visionary Reloaded by Revolution. So they are the two palettes that I am wearing on my eyes today, and the lipstick is the Revolution lipstick. So, ooh, that was close, that nearly fell off then. Okay then, so I'm going to open up my Glossy box, and this month is like a Pride type, goes with my background. Yeah, so this is like a Pride month, so let's have a look. See what's inside. Okay, so we get the card as usual. So we get our little card, and this is the Pride edition, and it says, "Hi, hey Glossies, we're a glossy community that stand together and embrace individuality. Our special design Pride box is filled with 6 full-size products which are tailored to help you feel empowered, bold and unique." And I'm definitely unique. Okay then, so let's see what we've got. So, oh wow, even the ribbon and everything's all done like Pride. So let's have a look. See, open that up. Ooh, interesting. Okay, I see you. Okay then, so first off we have the Ink Me metallic sticker tattoos. These look cool. Oh wow, they're double-sided as well. So you've got like that side and that side. And you can put them on your skin. Alright. So it says, remove clear sheet and press decorated side onto your skin facing down. Press wet cloth firmly against tattoo and hold for 30 seconds. Pat gently with a wet cloth. Interesting. Don't know when I'd wear those, but we can see. We can see. If I just pop that underneath. So what else? Oops. So what's this then? Ink Me stamp tattoo. I'm just going to drag this chair closer so then I can pop that down. So this is the Ink Me tattoo stamp, and it says Black Heart. Oh look, don't know if you can see that. It's actually, I'm filming on my phone at the moment, not my other camera. Let's see. Oh right, yeah, see look, it is a heart. Shall we? Oh, I pressed too hard, but that is cool. Oh, I like that. I do like that. Hello. Okay then, so that's that. That's cool. Next, we have got, what is this? Here's the card. We have got the Coconut Selfie Skin Coconut Oil Nourishing Sheet Mask. Now, me and my husband have got some masks. I bought him some face masks from Primark actually. For men, specifically for men, because apparently men need different face masks to women. And we are going to have a bit of a pamper session one evening. You know, glass of wine, chat. So I might actually vlog that and see what happens. So this is going to be fantastic for that. So let's see what it says on here. Okay, so this is Victoria. Oh, this is Victoria's Secrets. Okay. Oh, and it's $4.95 it says on here, which is, they've got it as £5. And it says, this nourishing sheet mask is formulated with coconut oil for mega soft skin and insta complexion perfection. Wash and dry your face, position the mask, chill out for 15 minutes, remove the mask and massage in the excess product. You find the good light and this mask will get your skin right. No filter required. So that is going to be a lot of fun, and then you've got your instructions on the back. So that is from Victoria's Secrets. Okay, right then, so the next product is from a company called Trifle Cosmetics, and it is a lip and cheek balm. I'm just going to go off the sheet today. What's this? Is it that one? No, it's this one. Alright, so it comes in like a little packet comsar, and it is a lip and cheek jam, and it's 78% water-based, 99% natural. Even the box is printed with soya ink. That's amazing. Okay, this multitasking lip and cheek jam is the key to getting a healthy, natural flush of colour that will last for up to 10 hours. Dab 2 tiny dots on the apples of your cheeks. Oh, I can look so attractive sometimes, can't I? Keep it natural and nonchalant. I love that word. Nonchalant is a good word. Don't try to be too precise with the application. You're looking for a youthful and vibrant look. Rest assured, it's natural, vegan friendly, cruelty free, and organic too. And this usually retails for £17.50. So I'm assuming for that amount of money, you are going to get a lot of use out of it. Okay. Okay, there seems to be 50-50. 50-50 of jar, 50-50 of let's see what it smells like. I'm just going to do a little swatch on the back of my hand. Let's say 1 drop. Maybe I need to do a bigger drop. I suppose it just gives you a healthy glow. It doesn't do anything. Oh, it's done it on my finger. Just not really. I mean, I suppose it has done a little bit. We'll have to see about that one. We shall have to see. Dark cherry. Okay, so next we have got the Kaleido Cosmetics Asteroid Highlighter, and this retails for £13, and it says be as subtle or as vibrant as you fancy with this illuminating 8-hour highlighter from the fun and fearless Kaleido Cosmetics. We love it. We love that it's 100% cruelty-free, vegan-friendly, and smells gorgeous too. Dab onto the high points of your face using a beauty blender or brush. For more natural illumination, mix a few dabs with your foundation. Glossies. Let's gleam and glow. Oh, it's so cute. Alright, let's have a look at this. Ooh. So we've got something that looks a little bit like that. Take the packaging off. So what this looks like. Actually, now having sort of, I don't know if you'll be able to pick that up on the camera, but it is actually quite a nice glow on there. So let's see what we've got here. Oh my word! Oh, that smells divine. Oh, oops. What does that smell like? Oh, it smells like sweets. Oh, hello. Hello, Highlight. Okay. Okay. I see you. Oh man, I think I might have just found my favourite highlight. That is exquisite. Oh my goodness. Oh, I love that. That is amazing. Oh, I do like that. Okay, I'm going to try that out. I am so trying that out. That is really cool. Okay then, so the next thing that we have got, I think this is the last thing, is the shadow paint. Blue eyeshadow is back. Vanessa Hudgens and Chloe Grace Moretz are just some celebrities rocking blue eye looks right now. We are loving this midnight blue cruelty-free eyeshadow from, now is it Zena? 3INA. Trina, is it? I don't know, but anyway, it's this company here. And this retails for $8.95, and it looks like an actual paint bottle. Highly pigmented, long lasting and waterproof. It's perfect whether you want a striking look or something more subtle. Apply with an angled brush to line your upper and lower lash line. Oh, now that would be quite good. Now then, let's have a look and see. It's quite oily, but to begin with. Oh, I think I might have may have overdone it a bit on the old swatch, but ooh, oh, it's even got a bit like of a shimmer to it. Oh, I quite like that. And for a eyeliner, that's going to be really nice for a smoky eye look. That is quite highly pigmented, I would agree. Now I've got blue. Don't know what to do. Oh well, I've got tights on. That'll do. So that is this month's Glossy box. So I'm really looking forward to using that highlighter. That looks absolutely amazing. And then I'm going to do this as well. So I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with these. I'm going to see if I can put these onto like cups or something. I'm just wondering if you could put it on like a white cup or something. I mean, I know it's not going to last very long. Or even like the plastic see-through bottles, the reusable bottles that you could get. So I might have a look and see if I can do something with those, because I don't know whether I'm going to be using them on my skin or body, because I'm not really going to any festivals right now. But anyway, thank you so much for coming along and watching my video. If you are not subscribed, then please do. It is fantastic. I would love to welcome you into the family. And also, it's free. Doesn't cost anything. So if you press that subscribe button and then also click the notification bell, and that will let you know when I upload a video. So from me to you, I say take care of everybody else and yourself. And remember, keep creating!